are back now for the second winner of this podcast. And I like this job, and it just came to us very recently, as of like yesterday or the day before yesterday. And I am very impressed with this job because, number one, it's got our favorite diamond plate in the back, but it's also a really, really, really neat and very tight installation. Whoever did this job, the individual technician who did this job, managed his space incredibly well. In there, of course, as always, there is some Centrotherm venting, both on the intake and exhaust. There's some Aquatherm that I actually learned about when I was at the Hydronics Summit in Canada. And actually, this job is out of Canada. And of course, there is also a triangle tube, as you'll see, boiler in this application, 3 in this application. Matthew, who is the winner?
So quick shout out to our friends at Equipco for posting this out of Windermere, which is I guess a suburb of Edmonton. I've never been there. We'll have to consult our Canuck friends as to how premier this neighborhood is, because that's what the description says. And I'll say, if it is a premier neighborhood, this mechanical room aligns quite nicely with that. This is a premier mechanical room. The way that this Aquatherm stuff is laid out is as pro as it gets. I see Axiom on here. I see Takeo on here. As we mentioned, it's 3 rack-mounted triangle tubes. It is just stellar. You mentioned the diamond plate, so I won't even gush about that because I typically do. But Denrite Mechanical coming through with our like one of the finer winners, and insane. I'd love to see where this went, because typically a rack like this goes in at, I don't know, a YMCA or something like this, but this is a residential installation. So I don't know what we got going on here. Snow melt, Olympic-sized swimming pool, I don't know, showers for a stable of horses.
Teenagers that like to shower often, who knows?
Yeah, that's what I was going to say, or livestock for, showers or something like that. Who even knows? Either way, wherever this is installed, with all of this premier products and technology, it is very deserving of this month's Show Us Your Pipe award. So thanks again to Equipco for posting it, and to Denrite Mechanical for utilization of premier products in what is undoubtedly an incredible residence.